Here are 3 pieces of news from the world of the crypto industry. What happened in the crypto market? Review from July 25. Donald Trump does not consider Larry Fink for the role of U.S. Treasury Secretary. Kamala Harris will not be speaking at Bitcoin 2024. First news. What happened in the crypto market? Review from July 25. Hashdex has filed for a multi-cryptocurrency ETF, crypto bank Sygnum reported a profit increase, and crypto application Fold aims for Nasdaq. These and other cryptocurrency news for the morning of July 25 in our review. Behavior of the top capitalized cryptocurrencies. According to TradingView, Bitcoin started Thursday with a decline. The cryptocurrency is trading at $64,209. Bitcoin's 24-hour low is $64,231, and its high is $67,113. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by capitalization, also started the day with a decline. Currently, the coin is trading at $3,174. Among the top 10 most capitalized cryptocurrencies, the best 24-hour performance was demonstrated by XRP, plus 0.58%, and the best weekly performance by Solana, plus 8.24%. Other coins have been losing value over the past 24 hours and 7 days. The worst 24-hour performance was by Ethereum, minus 7.51%, and the worst weekly performance was by Cardano, minus 10.49%. Among the top 100 most capitalized cryptocurrencies, the best 24-hour performance was by USD, plus 1.32%, and the best weekly performance was by Dogwifat, plus 13.26%. The biggest 24-hour loser was Optimism, minus 9.26%, and the biggest weekly loser was Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, minus 20.01%. Main cryptocurrency news of the morning of July 25. Asset management company Hashdex filed an S-1 application with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to create an exchange-traded fund that will track Bitcoin and Ethereum prices. This information appeared on the regulator's website. The fund, called the Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto Index US ETF, will be based on Bitcoin and Ethereum. The application format allows for the inclusion of other assets in the future. According to Bloomberg analyst James Seyffart, Hashdex can add new coins to the ETF if the application is approved by the Commission. Swiss crypto bank Sygnum, managing $4.5 billion in client assets, announced a profit after significant growth in cryptocurrency trading volumes in the first half of 2024. This information appeared in a press release from the credit organization. In the first half of 2024, spot cryptocurrency trading volumes doubled, and cryptocurrency derivatives trading volumes increased by 500% compared to the same period last year. Lending volumes also increased by 360%. Sygnum's chief client officer Martin Bircher linked the growth to the recently approved U.S. exchange-traded funds for Bitcoin and Ethereum. According to the banker, this step led to a significant increase in demand for regulated digital assets. Bitcoin application Fold plans to go public on Nasdaq through a SPAC deal, expected to be completed by the end of this year. This information appeared in a company statement. The Fold team reached an agreement to go public by merging with the special acquisition company FTAC Emerald Acquisition. After completing the deal, Fold will become a public company with an estimated value of $365 million. Second news. Donald Trump does not consider Larry Fink for the role of U.S. Treasury Secretary. Donald Trump denied reports that he would nominate Jamie Dimon or Larry Fink for the role of Treasury Secretary if re-elected as president. "I don't know who started this rumor, perhaps the radical left, but I never discussed or considered Jamie Dimon or Larry Fink for Treasury Secretary," Trump wrote on his social network Truth Social. Donald Trump admires Larry Fink despite Fink holding more Democratic views, while Trump is a Republican. Fink, who managed part of Trump's portfolio through BlackRock's global fixed income strategy, has often been mentioned as a potential candidate for Treasury Secretary. "Larry did a great job for me. He managed my money. I have to tell you, he provided me with excellent returns, Trump said in 2017. During an interview with CNBC earlier this month, Fink confirmed his bullish views on Bitcoin. In the conversation, the BlackRock CEO called the largest cryptocurrency by capitalization digital gold. He also emphasized the importance of diversifying investment portfolios, especially in an unstable economy. I strongly believe there is a place for Bitcoin in portfolios. I think it will become one of the asset classes we all pay attention to. I see it as digital gold, as I have said before, he stated. Founder of the Exponential Fi project Mehdi Leber told Bein Crypto that Fink could be an unprecedented candidate for U.S. Treasury Secretary. Larry Fink has a deep understanding of the value of cryptocurrencies. He understands that Bitcoin and Ethereum have created two revolutions, a new digital store of value and a new financial system that operates without a trusted intermediary. His knowledge and authority make him an unprecedented candidate to lead the Treasury in these transformational times, he noted. Meanwhile, Jamie Dimon holds a completely different view on digital assets. The J.P. Morgan CEO has repeatedly called Bitcoin a fraud and a Ponzi scheme. However, Dimon acknowledges the potential of blockchain technology, as evidenced by the corporation's initiatives in this area, such as the J.P. Morgan Coin Token. Moreover, recent comments by Trump indicate a softening of Dimon's stance on Bitcoin. Jamie Dimon was, very negative, and now he has slightly changed his view, Trump noted. Potentially, all this could strengthen Dimon's position in a possible appointment as U.S. Treasury Secretary. Both Fink and Dimon have extensive experience in financial management. Under Fink's leadership, BlackRock has become the world's largest asset manager, overseeing more than $10 trillion. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has become the largest Bitcoin-based exchange-traded fund, managing over $20 billion. Meanwhile, under Dimon's leadership, banking giant J.P. Morgan has achieved success in the traditional banking sector, even pioneering several blockchain projects. New York Post journalist Charles Gasparino leans toward the likelihood that Trump will appoint Dimon as U.S. Treasury Secretary. I think Trump believes that Dimon looks better than Fink, so he is willing to ignore their past disagreements, which were quite substantial, Gasparino wrote. Third news. Kamala Harris will not be speaking at Bitcoin 2024. Bitcoin Magazine's CEO David Bailey stated that Kamala Harris would not be speaking at Bitcoin 2024. In his message, he sharply criticized the politicians' team's decision, calling it unsurprising. What can she tell us when she actively jails developers, drives our industry abroad, attacks POW? It would be a disaster for her, he wrote. The crypto conference will be held from July 25 to 27 in Nashville, Tennessee. On the evening of July 23, Bailey wrote that he was negotiating with Kamala Harris's team regarding her participation at Bitcoin 2024. He emphasized the strategic advantage of the vice president speaking at the largest Bitcoin conference. It would be very wise for her to reconsider the Democrats' position on the fastest-growing voting bloc in the country. They will decide today, he wrote on X. Earlier, in an interview with Politico, billionaire Mark Cuban noted that Harris might be more open and friendly towards cryptocurrencies than Joe Biden. He also revealed that the vice president's team had contacted him regarding digital assets. However, the politician has yet to confirm this information. Some members of the crypto community remain skeptical. Gemini co-founder Tyler Winklevoss believes that significant policy changes are needed to gain support from the crypto industry. Talks are meaningless. She needs to immediately fire Gary Gensler, withdraw all enforcement actions by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission against bona fide participants, and end Operation Choke Point 2.0. She won't do this, so she has no chance of winning the crypto electorate. It's time for change, he commented. On July 23, Harris announced that she had secured the necessary support to run for president from the Democrats. Prior to this, Joe Biden had withdrawn from the presidential race. Following Harris's news, the price of the meme coin Kamala Horus hit a new all-time high. Over the past week, the asset's price soared by more than 1,088%.